As part of its commitment to improving academic performance through innovative teaching and learning methods, Kiswate Digital Academy, in partnership with Ngoleni Secondary School in Kathiani Sub-County, Machakos County, has officially launched a differentiated instruction and digitization program aimed at enhancing students' performance in mathematics and other STEM subjects ahead of the 2026 KCSE examinations. Under the leadership of the school principal, Madam Margaret Mutie, and the guidance of the school's mathematics teacher, Mr. Ben Masika, the students, all mathematics teachers, and the differentiated instruction team from Kiswate Digital Academy, led by the innovator, Mr. Pius Odhiambo, jointly identified the key mathematics topics that require focused attention based on students' learning needs, mathematics syllabus, and the past KCSE national examinations. The priority topics for the KCSE 2026 mathematics preparation program are integers, statistics 1 and 2, vectors 1 and 2, transformation 1 and 2, commercial arithmetic 1 and 2, calculus, differentiation, integration, and area approximation, among others. The program recognizes that students learn at different paces and require different instructional strategies and approaches. Through differentiated instruction, learners receive targeted support based on their individual abilities, enabling every student to make meaningful academic progress. During the inaugural mathematics class, Mr. Pius Odhiambo, differentiated instruction expert for mathematics at Ngoleni Secondary School, worked specifically with the students who had been consistently attaining grades E, D-, and D in mathematics. He introduced practical learning strategies, confidence-building techniques, time management strategies during the national exams, and problem-solving methods designed to help these learners improve their understanding of mathematics and progressively attain higher grades in the KCSE examinations. In the second session, which was also logged in by the Nile Road Special Secondary School, Mr. Odhiambo conducted an intensive lesson covering Statistics 1 and Statistics 2, emphasizing examination techniques, interpretation of statistical data, and step-by-step approaches to solving KCSE standard questions. Students actively participated in the lesson and demonstrated increased confidence in tackling statistical problems. Mr. Pius Odhiambo is a differentiated instruction expert in mathematics, trained in the United States and has temporarily been deployed to Ngoleni Secondary Senior School for a period of 3 months. Mr. Pius Odhiambo is the global leader and patent holder of Kiswate Digital Academy, during which Sunday service at the AIC Church Ngoleni, Mr. Odhiambo called upon the parents, like-minded organizations like Kiswate, as well as the government of Kenya to support 2026-2027 KCSE examination candidates, as it will be too expensive for both the parents and the government of Kenya if the students fail the examinations, as 844 system of educations gets retired. The last KCSE examination and the 844 system of education is set to be done in October of 2027. He noted with concern that shortages of teachers in the country can be solved using Kiswate arrays of technologies, and advised educational policymakers at the sub-county level to consider adopting the use of common teaching timetable to address teacher shortages and missed lesson due to unplanned teachers absenteeism. Using AI-empowered digital mathematics lab at Ngoleni Senior School, he is capable of teaching mathematics in multiple schools across Kenya, reducing teachers' shortages in mathematics by the same magnitude. Although Mr. Odhiambo will soon return to Washington, D.C., USA, the program will continue without interruption through digital learning platforms, using virtual classrooms, online assignments, continuous assessments, and regular interactive live sessions. Students will continue receiving expert instruction remotely while working closely with their teachers at Ngoleni Secondary School. This blended learning approach which is designed for implementation across senior secondary schools in Kenya and eventually throughout Africa, integrates traditional classrooms instruction with a Kiswahili digital attendance and discipline tracking register KDA-DTR to enhance teaching and learning outcomes. The initiative seeks to ensure that every learner receives a personalized, data-driven academic support regardless of geographical location, while significantly reducing the number of students attaining grades E, D-, and D in mathematics and other STEM subjects. Kiswahili Digital Academy remains committed to transforming education through innovation, technology, and differentiated teaching strategies that empower every learner to achieve academic excellence.
Evening. This is Margaret Mutina, Ngoleni Secondary Principal. Yeah, we are here to have online teaching offered by Pius Odiambo. So you are all welcome.
Once again, this is Kiswahili Digital Academy, differentiated instruction class, and we are live from Ngoleni Secondary School in Kajiani Sub-County, Machakos County in the eastern part of Kenya, and any school anywhere within the Republic of Kenya that is offering age-focused system of education is free to join. It's free to join. So we are going to start with one of the critical topics. And these critical topics are, please take note. I want you to write this down. I want you to write it down once again. To all our supporters worldwide, my name is Pius Odiambo, a differentiated instruction expert from Washington, D.C. in the United States. I'm live from Ngoleni Secondary School. And Ngoleni Secondary School is one of the 10,000 senior secondary schools that are going to participate in this program in the next 5 years. With me here is a Form 4 class at Ngoleni Secondary School. Now, class, the following are the critical topics for the KCSE 2026. Please write with me. Number 1 is statistics 1 and 2. Statistics 1 and 2. Number 3 is vectors 1 and 2. Number 4 is transformation 1 and 2. Number 5. So transformation 1 is Form 2 and transformation 2 is Form 4. Number 5 is calculus, differentiation, integration, and area approximation. Number 6 is commercial arithmetics 1 and 2. And number 7 is integers. I want you also to take note that mathematics paper 1 is Form 1 and 2. 80% of the questions is Form 1 and 2. And therefore, if you are preparing for mathematics paper 1, make sure you study Form 1 and 2 mathematics. And Form 4, 80%, sorry, paper 2, 80% of the questions are from 3 and 4. Since we have settled, it is my distinct pleasure to invite the KDA Global Principal, retired senior principal with TSC, Mr. Michael Ahendera. After that, you will invite your deputy. Please, Mr. Ahendera, take it away.
As you can see, I am joining in from Komarok Senior School, where we've just been attending a training for 3 days organized by Kenya Education Management Institute. And is a forum that did involve the Board of Management and principals in this sub-county. And therefore, I would want to appreciate the fact that this idea is going wide. I've just been able to talk to a couple of them, and I've issued also the link to some few students who will be able to join you as you continue teaching. But otherwise, I want to appreciate that this program has already kicked off, and therefore, thank you very much.
We have a timetable on our website, and the following are our timetable for any school in the Republic of Kenya that is offering 844, which is being retired. Now, during school days, we have 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Then 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Then 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. For those day scholars who commute long distances to go home by 8, they have arrived home, they can join a class. So you are free to join any class. Now, at Ngoleni Secondary School, I'm also teaching in between the lessons, which means according to the timetable for Ngoleni Secondary School. Now, if you want to join these lessons at Ngoleni Secondary School, please feel free to contact the principal, and you have to change your timetable to that timetable of Ngoleni Secondary School, so that when we switch the class at Ngoleni Secondary School to a digital mode, you just log in and you fit in. So thank you very much. I will now go ahead and start my lesson. In order to participate in this lesson, we need you to have a worksheet, and this worksheet is from, as you can see on my screen. For those who are joining me online, are you able to see my screen? Now you have a worksheet. We have, I've said, one of the critical topics that we're going to handle, and there must be a question that we're going to come up in the KCPE exam in statistics 1 and 2. Statistics 1 is form 2, statistics 2 is form 4. And as you can see on my screen here, this KCSE exams, the year 2004. So we'll be using examples from KCSE exam. Those will be your examples. And then I'll give homework, which you must do before the next class. So the homework will come from the book. But in all my examples, when I'm teaching up to September 30th, there will be KCSE questions. What does that mean? That what I'm going to do here in class, you have got it all. Before you sit the exams, when you are revising the final prediction, you have. Okay, let's continue. Somebody should be able to be admitting. I can do that when I'm teaching. So I want you to, the paper you have is all the way in the KCS exams, question 14. Can you identify if you have question 14 on your paper? It's on page 1. It is on page 1. Question 14 is on page 1. Are you able to see question 14? Yes. Good. So we're going to work on that question. Another question that we are going to work on 4, and this is on question 22. It is on page 15. Are you able to see question 22 on page 15? Yes. It has got so many sections, A, 1, 2, 3, and then B, there's a graph. I told you earlier to come with a pencil and a rubber. Come and a pencil and a rubber. Now, those 2 questions come from critical topic. Number 1, statistics 1 and 2. I'm not going to start from the scratch. Now, I want one student to read for me question 22. That's what we are going to start from. Question 22. Can one of the students from the class, a volunteer, read for me question 22? Any volunteer? And please you come in front and sit on the chair here so that those online can hear you. Come and read for me question 22. Any volunteer? Go ahead.
My name is Lewis Kioko from 4 North, Ngoleni Secondary School. Members of Environment Club planted trees. The number of trees planted by each member is recorded below. using a class width of 5 and starting with a class 6 to 10, make a frequency distribution table for the data.
Go ahead.
State the model class.
Continue. You are doing very well.
Estimate the mean number of trees planted.
Good. Continue. You are doing very well.
On the grid provided and on the same axis, represent the data using a histogram, a frequency polygon.
Good. Part A, 1. Using a class width of 5, starting with class 6 to 10, make a frequency distribution table. So this is what we are going to do. Please, you write with me. You write with me. You write with me. So guys, I'm going to use a table. I'm going to have class. So please work with me. So I'm going to have class there. Class. So this is class. I don't know. Class. And then here, I'm going to have frequency F. You know what that means? I'm going to have frequency F. Let me have frequency F here. Then here, I'm going to have X. Then here, I'm going to have FX. I'm going to explain what this means. And then I have my totals down. That's how I want you to organize your table. Now, the first class is 6 to 10. We are using a class width of 5. Now, when you count these numbers, let's count together. We have given instruction to use a class size of 5, which means the numbers must be 5. Let's count together. 6, that is 1. 7, 2, 8, 9, 10. So that is good. So the next one is going to be 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the next one is 11 to 15. Now, the next one, who can give me the next class? The next class is going to be what? Yes? 16 to 20. Now, the next one is going to be what? Who can try? Which is the next class? Yes? 21, 25. Very good. 21, 25. The next one is, tell me the next one. The next one is going to be what? Yes? Right? 26 to 30. Please keep it. 26 to 30. Oh, I've done it at the wrong place. 26 to 30. Now, but when do we stop? When do we stop? Now, when you look at the data on that table, can somebody tell me the least number and the highest number on the table? What is the least number on the table? Is 6, right? Very good. Now, what is the highest number on the table? 33. Very good. Now, when you look at our classes, we have, we have 26 to 30, all right? 33 is not yet covered, all right? We'll have to move to the next class. And the next class is what? 31 to 35. We're going to start the tallying now. And I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back to here. Now, I'm gonna go back to here. I was unable to get the good colors, but nevertheless, now we have the class of 6 to 10. Any number that falls between 6 to 10, we're gonna close it. So we go here. Is 24 between 6 to 10? 7? So we close it. What about 11? 6? We close it. 12? 27? 8? We close it. 9? We close it. 33? 23? 12? 32? 19? 33? 16? 21? 14? 16? 17? 10? We close it. 21? 18? 16? 9? We close it. 17? 8? We close it. 28? 13? 8? We close it. 19? 9? 17? 24? 18? 29? 15? 12? 13? 31? 22? 14? Okay, now we count the number of numbers that we have closed. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9. How many are they? So you come back here on the table. And I would like to raise this. I would like to raise this, but nevertheless, let me type. Now, 6 to 10 is, what did we get? 9. Now, we do the same for 11 to 15, 16 to 20, 21 to 25, and 26 to 30, and 31 to 35. Now, I'm going to give you 3 minutes. 3 minutes to do the tally for 11 to 15. Frequency, yes, it's under frequency, sorry. This is under frequency. Thank you for the correction, yes. So, I'm giving you 3 minutes to do the tally. When you are done with the first one, you carry up your hand and let us know. And let us know what you are getting. Let us know what you are getting. When you are done with 11 to 15, you carry up your hand. You carry up your hand. 11 to 15, you carry up your hand. Anybody else finished? Yes, carry up your hand. What's the number here? Yes, what's the frequency here? Can somebody tell me what the frequency here? 11 to 15, carry up your hand, yes? 8. So this is 8. We'll find out if that's correct. So this is 8. Okay. Anybody who have finished 16 to 20? 16 to 20? Yes? 10? Good. So we just write. Gonna find out if that's correct. Anybody who has finished 21 to 25? 21 to 25? Anybody who has done 21 to 25? Yes. Speak up so that I can hear. 6. So we're gonna find out if that is correct. All right. 26 to 30. Yes. No. 3. 3. And 31 to 35. 31 to 35, yes? 4? You get 4? Okay, 4. Okay. And what's the total here? 40. So 9 plus 8, 17, plus 10 is 27, plus 6, 33, plus 3, 36, plus 4 is 40. Are you allowed to use the calculator in the national exam? You have your calculator? And this number here, we call it the sum or symbol. And I need the sum, this one, of f. The sum of f is equal to 40. The sum of f is equal to 40. Now, to get x here, what do you do to get x? But before we get x, let's confirm if our frequencies are correct. So, am I moving too fast? Am I moving too slow? Am I okay? Okay, good. So, let's check. Let's check for 11 to 15. I'm gonna pull this down. Yes. I hope our online audience are able to see, but I just want to make sure that they are seen. So I'll reshare. Ngoleni is over there. iPhone. Can you rename iPhone to Ngoleni Secondary School, please? Ngoleni, oi. Ngoleni, oi. Now let's move on. Now, I want to make sure that those who are online are able to see my screen. That's why I'm sharing and resharing like that. Yes, this is where we are, but I've lost the tally that I had before. So let's now move on and do it quick. I'd already tallied this. I'd already tallied that. I'd already tallied that. I'd already tallied that. I'd already tallied this. I'd already tallied this. I'd already tallied this. And I'd already tallied. And there were how many? There were 10 or 9. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Are they 10? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those that are getting 10, where's the 10th number? I'm getting 9. Are they 9 or 10? They are 9. Very good. Now, the second class is 11 to 15. So I'm going to use a different ink this time to get the 11 to 15. Let me come here and use blue. So 11 to 15. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. Did we get 8? Yes. So 11 to 15 is 8. 16 to 20. 16 to 20. I'm going to use a different ink again. Let me use yellow. 16 to 20. So I don't have any number there, 16 to 20. And here I have 19, that's 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10. This is 10. Did you get 10?
Yeah.
Okay, 16 to 20 is 10. So that's 10. Did we get 10? Hello, did we get 10?
Yeah.
Okay, now we are going to 21 to 25. And I want to use a different ink. And this time I'm going to use this. 21 to 25. So here I don't have any 21 to 25. Here I don't have any. I have 21 here. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Did we get 3? We got what? We got 6? Well, how did you get 6? We are on 21 to 25. Let's see. Huh? The first one, this is 1. 21 to 25, we don't have any there. Then here, where's 23? Yes, 2. Then here, 21 to 25, we have this, 3. Then we continue 21 to 25, 4. 21 to 25, do you have any in that line? No. So we continue 21 to 25. This one is 5. Then this one, right? So those are how many? 6. Let's just counter check. This is 1, 2. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. And this is 6. Did we get 6?
Yes.
Now, 21 to 25. The next one is 26 to 30, all right? Okay, 26 to 30. This is 1. This is, I have 9 there. Here I also have 9. So this is 2. 26 to 30. This is 3. Do you have any other? Did you get 3? So 31 to 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Yes, 31 to 35. Now 31 to 35, in this line here, I have this 1, then 2, 3, 4. Do you have any other? So did we get 4?
Yes.
Are we done? Are we done?
Yes.
Now, another thing that we want to do before we go. Can you tell me a number that appears more than once here on this data? Huh? A number that appears more than once. Look here, I have 8 here. Do you see this 8 here? That is 1. Then when I come over here, again, I see another 8 here. 8 appears twice. And then another 8 here. 8 appears thrice now. We continue. Is there any other 8? So we say 8 is appearing 3 times. 3 times. Now, is there any other number that appear more than once? Which one? 10. So let me look. 9 too. So I have 9 here. This one, that's 1. Then I come, I check again. I have 9 here. That's 3. I continue. I check 9 here. That is 4. So I have this 9 here. This is 1. This is 2. 9 also appears 3 times, right? So 9, the frequency is 3 times. Now, is there any other number that appears more than once? Which one? 10. Let's look for 10. 12. Let's look for 12. This one here. Once. 12. Once. Then 12. Twice. Then 12. 12. This one here. Thrice. Is there any other 12? Huh? Oh, okay. 12 appears 3 times. Okay. Now, when you go back to our table, here. Oh, this one. The mode is the number with the highest frequency, all right? Yeah. So, because you have grouped them in classes, we'll be talking about the model class, all right? Which of these classes has the highest frequency? Now, you check under F here. Which one is the highest number here? 10, all right? So the model class is the class 16 to 20. Can you write that down? Because when you go to the question here, it asks you, state the model class 16 to 20. Any question up to that point? Any question up to that point? The model class is 16 to 20. The model class is 16 to 20. Any question up to this point? Now, using a class width of 5 and starting with the class 6 to 10, make a frequency distribution table for the data. So the frequency distribution table for our data is this table we are making here. Is this table we are making here, but it is not complete. Let us now complete it. Now, what is X? If I may ask, what is X? We have a quiz to pen on. Tell me how X. What is X? The midpoint, all right? And how will that midpoint? So, can you tell us how we get the midpoint between 6 and 10? What do we do? And speak loudly.
You take 6, divide with 10, then you divide by 2.
So, what is 6 plus 10?
16.
What is 16 divided by 2?
8.
So, can you type 8 here? Look for 8 and type it. Very good. You didn't tell us your name. What was your name?
Lilian Mutua.
Lilian Mutua. So Lilian Mutua, that's very good. Can we do all of them? Lilian Mutua, can you do all of them? 11 plus 15? Lilian Mutua, what is 11 plus 15?
26.
26 divided by 2?
13.
Can you type 13 over there, Lilian Mutua? No. So let me help you. Usiogope. Hii kitu haumangi. So type 13 there. Okay, Lilian Mutua. You are doing very well. What is 16 plus 20?
36.
36 divided by 2? 18. Type there 18, Lilian Mutua. You are our star today. And you know they are watching you in the whole country. Oh, Lilian Mutua is doing very well. 21 plus 25, Lilian Mutua?
46.
46 divided by 2?
23.
23, Lilian Mutua. Type 23 over there. Okay. Lilian Mutua, 16 plus 30.
56.
56 divided by 2?
28.
28. Lilian Mutua, type 28 there. Okay, very good, Lilian Mutua. 31 plus 35, Lilian Mutua.
66.
66 divided by 2?
33.
33. So type here 33. Very good, Lilian Mutua. Tupigia Lilian Mutua makofi. Now need a boy. That Canadian boy to come. So come with your calculator. If you are the courageous boy, we're gonna multiply F by X. F by X is X by F. But here I say FX. So 8 times 9 gives you something there. So who is that courageous boy? Yeah, courageous boy? Yeah. Very, very good. Very, very, very good. Yeah, 6 here. Okay, what's your name?
Stephen Munyao.
Stephen Munyao. What is 8 times 9?
72.
72. Can you type 72 over there? Okay, Stephen Munyao. What is 13 times 8?
104.
No. Sorry. Oh, sorry. It's here. 104, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Stephen Munyao. What is 180 times 10? What is 18 times 10? 180. Stephen Munyao. What is 23 times 6? 136. This is 136. 18, 138. It's 138. Type 138. No, raise it. 138. And 28 times 3? 24, 6, 84. It's 84. And 33 times 4? That's 84. 24, yeah, 84. Now 33 times 4 is 166 times 2, which is 132. No, not there, not there. No, there's still in here. 132 here. Okay. 132. Okay, thank you. Makofi for Stephen Binya. Okay. Boys and girls, now using your calculator, let us add. Let's do this. Let's do the summation here. And what we are going to do, yes. What we are going to do here, we're going to sum this. And what are we summing? Fx is equal to what? Using your calculator, what is 72 plus 104 plus 180 plus 138 plus 84 plus 132? Huh? 710. So this is our frequency distribution table. This is our frequency distribution table. Now let's see the question that follows. What else are they asking for? So, A Roman 1, we have done it. State the model class, we have done that. Now estimate the mean number of trees planted. Now the mean number of trees planted is easy. You come here and you say here, the sum of, first, how do you find mean? The mean is written as X bar. Are we together? Mean is X, and this is equal to the sum of F, X, divided by the sum of f. And from our frequency distribution table, what is the sum of fx? 710. And what is the sum of f? Huh? 40. And using your calculator, can you divide for me 710 divided by 40? And that's 71 divided by 4 gives you what? 17.75. I like the rhythm. Can you say it again? What is 71 divided by 4? Very good. Very, very good. Now, on the grid provided, can you write this down? Can you write that down before I move down? I'm going to do away with this. I'm going to do away with this so that I can scroll up and so now this is the last bit of the question. On the grid provided and on the same axis, represent the data using a histogram and a frequency polygon, all right? Now, what we are going to do on the x-axis here, we're going to represent the frequency. So this is going to be the frequency, all right? Are we together? Yes. And what are we going to represent on the, that's y-axis. What are we going to represent on the x-axis? We want to do a histogram. What are we going to do on the x-axis? Represent the x-axis. So look here. So we're going to represent this f on the x-axis, and they are ranging from 3 to 10. So I'll have my scale 0 to 10. But on this other side, I have classes, and I have 6 to 35. 6 to 35. So I'll have classes on the x-axis and frequency on the y-axis. And all my numbers are positive, so I don't need to worry about the negative. So I'll pull it up. So we'll come here. Already, so I'll have this as my y-axis. And this one side here is going to be my x-axis. So I'm having 0 to 33, but it's starting from 6 to 33. So the first one is 6 to 10 here. So we'll have this one to be 10. Then 11 to 15. Let me see if it will fit. So if this is 10, this is going to be 20. This is 30. This is 40. Yeah, it will fit. So that is 10. This is 20. This is 30. This is 40. And when you are doing it in the exam, you have a ruler. So your lines need to be straight. Now, on the first frequency, we have 6 to 10. Now, if this is 10, so this is going to be 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 will be here. So I'll have 6 here. And this is 10. Now, what frequency do you have for the class 6 to 10? Can you check your table? What frequency do you have? 9. So I'll come back here again. If I put this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yes. So this is 2. This is 4. This is 6. This is 8. And this is 10. Make sure that yours is straight. Can you draw this on the graph paper? Not on the book, on the paper that I've given you, on that paper. Can you have this? Mine is not straight. Mine is not straight because I'm using the mouse, but you, because you're using a roller, is supposed to be straight. So on the y-axis, I want you to move at the interval of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. On this other side, every 2 squares for 10, 20, 30, and 40. So once you do that, you let me know so that we proceed. I'm just about to end the class. Okay, let's proceed. Now, from 6 to 10, which is here, what the frequency? The class 6 to 10, what the frequency? 9. So this is 6, this is 8, 9 must be here, somewhere here. So you come all the way up to here, and you plot 9. You plot 9 here. Please make sure that yours is accurate. So I'll have this. You draw a straight line down here. Make sure yours is straight. This is 9. And that is 10, like that. In the next class, 11 to 15, what is the frequency? Can you check your table, 11 to 15? Huh? It is? 8. So this is 8 here. So I'll have 8. It was 11 to 15. And down. There you go. In the next class, 16 to 20, what is the frequency from your table? 10. Is it 10? Yes, there's 10 here. So I'll come here and draw the bar here. In the next class, 21 to 25, what is the frequency? 6. There's 6 here. There's 6 here. I'll come here and draw it here. In the next class, 26 to 30, what is the frequency? 3. And this is 2. 3 must be in the middle there. So I'll bring it here. Now in the next class, that was 26 to 30. 31 to 35. What is the frequency? 4. This is 4. I'll move this way here. Come there. And are we done with the classes? Are we done? Have we done all the classes? Very, very good. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself for doing a good job. Now, this is the histogram. We have now answered that question. This question on draw a histogram. Now, part 2 of the question from there, a frequency polygon, right? Yes. How do you draw a frequency polygon from a histogram? Easy. Can you say easy? Easy. Easy. So this is what you do. I'm going to use a different ink. I'm going to use a different ink. Let me use red. Now you come to the bar for the histogram, and what do? You mark a point in the middle, like I'm gonna mark a point in the middle here. That's a point in the middle. Here also on this bar, you mark a point in the middle, like that. Here also, you mark a point in the middle. Is marking a point in the middle difficult? Is there anybody who doesn't know how to mark a point in the middle? Okay. Then all of them here in the middle, and here also in the middle. Now, you are going to join these points. From this point to that point, from this point to that point, from this point to that point, from that point to that point, and from this point to that point. Mr. Mutua, excuse me, Mr. Masika. And how do you join this? Do you bring it to 0 here and this one to the last one, or you leave it like this? We are drawing a frequency polygon.
Mostly you don't bring 0.
Mm-hmm.
You join it the midpoint. You assume the last class is here.
The last class is here.
Yeah, so the midpoint here, then the midpoint the last.
The midpoint here? Here?
Yeah.
Here?
Yes.
Okay. So you do another midpoint here, and you join it here, like that. And then another midpoint here. And you join it here. You join it there. So as you look at the shape, it is the shape of a polygon. The polygon is defined as an n-sided figure. A rectangle is a polygon. A pentagon is a polygon. A hexagon is a hexagon is a hexagon is a polygon. Hexagon is a polygon. Nonagon is a polygon. I don't know. Mr. Masika, how do you call a 12-sided figure? Look here. Rectangle is how many sided figure? 4. And then a 5-sided figure is called what? Pentagon. Penta means 5. Then a 6-sided figure, 7-sided figure, 8-sided figure, 9-sided figure, 10-sided figure, 11-sided figure. Okay, let's stop there. So a polygon is an n-sided figure. And look here, according to our strategies that we learned in the morning, according to our strategy, I'm just about to, I wanted to put the lights off. We say that statistics 1 and statistics 2 is a critical topic. And this is KCSE 2004. And you have just answered one question in section B. Is it difficult? So from today's henceforth, because I've chosen for you statistics, it is straightforward. Every day, you will be doing one question on statistics until you do the national exam. Now, how many more questions do you need to do in section B to be successful? One more, right? So on your paper, I have homework. Same thing. I'm just about to stop. Sorry if there are the scholars here. You guys wasted a 15 minutes. You guys wasted 15 minutes when you are getting in.
The scholars are supposed to be 6.
Okay, at 6. Okay. Girls and boys, on page 2 of your question paper, we have number 5. Tomorrow but 1, you're going to do number 6. The other day on Saturday, you're going to do number 7. And on Sunday, you're going to do number 8. And on Monday, I'm going to give you more. Now, anybody with a question? Anybody with a question, please? A question on statistics 1 and 2. You have done statistics 2. We meet next time. We're going to do statistics 1, all right? So when you go to that KCS exam 2024, look for a question on statistics. Are we together? If you get it, you check. You check, that is the one to start with, all right? Yes. Yeah, anybody with a question? Yes, come here, come here. Come here. You say your name? Ngoleni Senior School, right? Yes, my name is also from Ngoleni Senior School. Yes, go ahead.
My name is Bran Motai from West Ngoleni Senior School. Okay, my question is, over there we have used frequency. What if we apply frequency density?
What is frequency density?
Frequency density.
Yes, what is it? You have introduced a new term.
Okay, but
tell us what it is.
It's a term introduced to us by our mathematics teacher. He said we can, his statement was, okay, we can apply frequency, but for him, he prefers frequency density. For it will give the most accurate data.
Yes. It doesn't matter so long as you are able to get that. Yeah? Okay. What's this? About frequency density? Yes. Hey, you're done. Thank you for your question. Yes. Can you explain something about frequency density, please?
Okay. Okay, just to clarify the question, frequency density can also work in a situation whereby the interval is different. In this scenario, the first class has an interval of 5, which is uniform all through. But in case the first class has an interval of 5, the second one 10, 15, 20, if they vary, it's better to go for frequency density. Frequency density formula is given by, you take the frequency of a certain class divided by the interval. For example, the first one, we have been given, it was 6 to
10.
6 to 10. So what is the interval between 6 and 10? If you subtract that, you get 4. It's not 4. What you do, you normally use the class limits, which will be 5.5 subtracted from 10.5, and that will be what? 5. So if frequency density there, it will be the interval is 5, and the frequency of that class was what? From the table? What is the frequency? 9 divided by 5. What do you get? 9 divided by 5. 1.8. 1.8. So when you have
the frequency
density.
Yes.
So when you're plotting the histogram, on the y-axis, use the frequency density, whereby you'll be plotting 1.8. That is for the first class of 6 up to 10.
Up to 10.
Yes.
So Mr. Masika is saying, if the class interval is uniform, like in our case, then this is right. Are we together? But if the class interval is not uniform means the first class has got an interval of 5. The second class has got an interval of 6 or any other number different from 5. Then you use frequency density. My friend, do you get the difference? Now, here, if the class interval uniform, so we use this, all right? But if it is different, you use frequency density. Can you clap for your friend and the class ends? So tomorrow when we meet in your class, you do only one, right? Yes. And this is from book 2. Where is this? Book 2. Book 2 can be. So if you are stuck, you need to see an example, you look for book 2, right? This is the time to make friends with the all right? In the formula, we are going to have the median position. And our median position from here, we have already said is 15.5. So we're going to have 15.5. And then we are going to subtract, when you go back to the table, we are going to, when you go back to the table, let me go back to the table. And the table is this. This is the table from the question. And let me, yes. So from here, we are having another one called cumulative frequency. And when we draw this, like this, like that, like that, like that, we're gonna have another row here. So the cumulative frequency, this is 3. Class, what is the next number here under cumulative frequency? How do you get 11? 3 plus 8 is 11. The next one is, and the next one is not 8. I'm going to show you how to clap. You want to clap for yourself. 1, 2, 3. Ngoleni, okay, now let's go. Let's go to the point. We did say that the median class is this, right? Did we say that? Hello? Did we say that the median class is this? Now, we want to subtract the cumulative frequency class. And we have this class here as 1 and as A, and we have this class here as B. Between A and B, which one is the class below the median class? Is it A or B? A, very good. Now, what is the cumulative frequency of A? 11. Very, very good. Now, let's go back to our calculations. Let's go back to our calculation. And I'm going to share the other screen here, which is this. And this way, I don't know whether Ngoleni, whether Nylon is in the room. We're going to check. Now, let's come up. Let's give it some time. Very, very good. Now, in the formula, we have the median position, which is 15.5. Now, in the formula, we have the cumulative frequency of the class below the median class. And we have agreed it is 11. So I put 11 here. I put 11 here. Next, we are going to divide by the frequency of the median class. What is the frequency of the median class? 10. Very, very good. Now, I'm going to put another parenthesis here. Here. And we are going to multiply by what? Who can tell me? What's the next thing in the formula? We multiply by what? Huh? Somebody saying something. I'm going to pick one person. That courageous girl that has leadership qualities. And this one going to the for the CAP MP. For and yeah. So the county MP, so Machakos County. So future county MP for Machakos County. Yes. So you say your name, first, last name, class, and you say you are from, you are live, in secondary school, and you go and tell me what I need to do here. What I need to do here. So let's go.
So my name is
Speak up, speak up.
My name is Elizabeth Mwende from 4 West. So we are going to multiply by 10.
What is that 10? In the formula, what is 10?
10 is the...
Hold on. What is 10? What are the classes? The classes are 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39. The class interval is 10. 10. Where's the ender? Oh, no. You can't go. Where's the ender? The woman MP, featured one MP for Machakos County. Bila kuguza computer mwalimu. So we agreed it's 10, right? Yes. Can you type 10? This is one here. No, 10. Very good. Can we clap for? Oh, yes. 10 over there. Now, we are done. What remains is just arithmetic. And in doing this arithmetic, we are going to use another concept that is called board mass. Board mass. What do we mean by board mass? What do we mean by board mass? Can somebody tell me the meaning of board mass? Yes, coming from the pole. Yes. Can somebody tell me the meaning of board mass? Board mass. Yes, what's board mass? What does P stand for? Brackets. Yes, very good. Then there's O. What does O stand for? O. Okay. O stands for O. Then, what's the next one? It stands for division. And then there's N. What does it stand? And then there's A. What does A stand for? And then there's S. What does S stand for? Subtraction. Now, in that our expression or formula, we want to check if we have brackets. You don't have in the book. The inner bracket, huh? So we want to see the inner bracket. In the inner brackets, we have 3.5 minus 11. What is that? 15.5 minus 11. Can you use your calculators, please? 4.5. So I'm going to go here. I'll repeat the whole of this in the next step. And then come down here and do this. So we have agreed that 15.5 minus 11 is 4, right? It is 4.5. The whole of this is going to be 4.5. And that is the only number. Hey, please, I need to see the keyboard. 4.5. And that's the only number we have in that parenthesis. So we are going to have 4.5 divided by 10. Now, what is 4.5 divided by 10? I'm still dealing with the brackets because there's another bracket there, right? Okay, so can somebody tell me what is 4.5 divided by 10? Yes, that's very good. So this one here is 0.45. 0.45. Now I have addition and I have multiplication. Somebody, okay. Can somebody tell me what is 429.5 plus 4.5? You are allowed to use your calculator. What is that number? You punch it on your calculator. What do you get? 34. And therefore, in the equation, the median is 34. The median is 34. How many of you got it right? How many got it? Carry up your hand if you got it right. Almost the whole class. How many of you, when you get this such a question in the national exams coming up in 4 months' time, they will answer the question? Very, very good. Can you clap for yourself? I want you to turn to your worksheet. And I want you to do number 18 to 20. We have mode of talk, circle, to bus, and then, so in that question, we have, oh, for the sake of our online audience, yes, I can see Nile Road Secondary School. Please, can you put on your camera?
Yes, we can hear you.
Please, can you introduce yourself? Tell me your name, which class, first name, last name, which class are you from? And yeah, and we move on from there. Please go on.
My name is Grace Mwetu from 4 South.
For 4 South. And why are you in my class today?
For the lesson.
Which lesson?
Mathematics lesson.
Mathematics lesson. Very good. Who is your math teacher?
Mr. Giten.
Mr. Gite. So look here. I want Mr. Gite to come back to class and mark the attendance. Or Mr. Nyangeresi to come back to class and mark the attendance. Now, look here. Are you able to hear me good?
Yes.
Yeah, please, as I review, I'm reviewing for them. Start doing that number 18 to 20. 18 to 20, that's your classwork for today. I need the work done before the class ends. The work done before. Now, oh, please, do you have a paper and a pen? Do you have a paper and pen with you? Yes, I want to take a paper and pen, and we are reviewing for KCSE exam 2026. You missed this, but I'm going to review for you. KCSE 2026 review. Now, these are the critical topics for the KCSE 2026. Integers. Number 1. Number 2, vectors 1 and 2. Number 4 is transformation 1 in form 2 and transformation 2 in form 4. Number 6 is calculus, and in calculus we'll be looking at differentiation, integration, area approximation, and number 7 we are going to look at commercial arithmetic 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now, can I have one student to come to the mic, this time not Grace, but a different student from Nile Road Special Secondary School in Njiru Sub-County of Nairobi County, to come to the microphone and tell me what I've said. You read for me what you have written down. First, you say your name, the class where you are coming from, and then you read for me what I've said. Okay, can I have the teacher? Can I have the teacher for Nile Road coming to the microphone after the student? Yeah, let him come, just come. Yes, Mwalimu,
Yes,
we have Ngoleni. I'm live from Ngoleni. Hello, hold on. I'm live from Ngoleni Secondary School in Mitaboni, Kadiani Sub-County, Machakos County. And with me here are like 100 students in my class. Can you introduce yourself to the students at Ngoleni Secondary School, please? They don't know you. They're seeing you for the first time. Take it away, Mwalimu.
Thank you very much. My name is Evans Ngoleni, one of the officials from Swati in charge of the academic register. Today, I'm here, Nairobi Special Secondary School, where we have this class. We are streaming live. I'm here with my students in the conference, and I think I've been away because the class was meant for them. I can read their face expression. They have really enjoyed the class.
So the students from Nile Road Special Secondary School, can you see my screen? Are you able to see my screen? So this is the homework we are doing right now. Number 18.20. Draw a pie chart to represent this data. In a day school, the distances in kilometer traveled to school, but some people were recorded as 18.21. So distance in kilometers, a number of pupils, and draw a histogram to represent this data like that. So this is what we are doing now. This is what we are doing now. This is what we are doing now just for practice. Number 10 and number 11. And the homework for tonight is number 18.02. Ngoleni, are we together? The homework for tonight is number 18.22, which we have number of subjects, then school A, school B, and we have number of candidates. And then on the same axis, draw a frequency polygon for the two schools. When you are drawing a frequency polygon, what are we going to have? We're going to have two lines, all right? One for school A and another one for school B. Then, if anyone with 6 or more passes qualified for higher education, how many candidates qualified in each school? 6 or more passes, right? So you're going to look at the frequency, and then you're going to look at the number of subjects. You're going to look at the number of subjects, and we are saying in the data below shows the total number of cases subject passed in 2 schools. So if number of subjects pass, so they are saying if anyone with 6 or more passes. 6 or more is 6, 7, and 8. So you're going to take this number, 12 plus 7 plus 3, that is 10, 23. And this one, 13 plus 12, that's 25, plus 7 is 32. So the question says, if anyone 6 or more pass qualified for the higher education, how many candidates qualified in each school? In school A, the answer is 12 plus 7 plus 3. In school B, the answer is 13 plus 12 plus 7. Is that difficult, class? Is that difficult? How many of you will answer such a question when they get in the final exams? Now, if anyone with 4 or more passes could be admitted to a training college, how many qualified for a place in a training college from each school? Nataka yule courageous boy or girl who can come here and give us hints on part C. So here, in this one, they say 6 or more. So 6 or more is 6, 7, and 8, all right? So we are adding this to that for school A, and for school B, this to that. Now, when they say 4 or more, what do they mean? Please speak up. 4 or more. First, we look for 4 on the number of students. Use by mouse. Use by mouse. Yes. Use by mouse. Where is 4? Look for 4. Somebody. Is that from your picture? Now, just point at 4. Yes, that's 4. Very good, very good. Now, when we say 4 or more, what do you mean? Speak up. 4 or more. Which one are you going to take?
5.
Speak up, my friend.
5.
You're going to take what?
5.
When we say 4 or more, which one are we going to take? Can you tell me the numbers we're going to take?
Yes.
Speak up. We want you to speak up. Yeah?
5.
No, start 4 or more. Start from 4. So number 1 is 4. Then next one is
5.
And the next one is
6.
The next one is
7.
And the next one is 8. Now you come to school A. Which numbers do you add? School A under 4. You come under 4 here. Which number do you have under 4?
12.
So 12 plus, you continue.
That's 15.
Plus
15.
Plus the next one. Plus
12.
Plus
7.
Plus
3.
And in school B, you check under 4. Which number do you have? So which one do you add? 6 plus
9.
Plus
13.
Plus
12.
Plus
7.
What did you say is your name?
Ian Q.
Huh?
Yeah.
Ian Kyoko. Makofi kwa Ian Kyoko. What's here? Oh, or you want to have? Yes? Right. This brings us to the end of the class. And please take over. I've given homework for tomorrow. Please don't come to my class without doing the homework. I'm gonna have a class to do in between again. You come to class when you're done.